How vast is the universe, and where does it start, and how far does it extend? These are questions we've all likely pondered at some point in our lives, yet the definitive answers remain elusive. The vastness of the cosmos is so incredibly large that it stretches the limits of our understanding. Thanks to modern advancements in astronomical technology, we are now able to get a tiny glimpse of the vast distances and the massive sizes that celestial bodies and phenomena can reach. This vastness paints the universe as an endless expanse, only describable by the most extraordinary imaginations. Despite not having a precise answer to the universe's true size, some scientists propose that an infinite number of other universes could exist beyond our own, each with distinct properties and laws, potentially harboring beings beyond anything we could even begin to imagine. However, what we do know with certainty is the scale of the objects within our universe. Recently, a scientist, with the assistance of the renowned James Webb Space Telescope, has uncovered the most colossal structure ever seen. Stay tuned to uncover this monumental discovery with the help of the James Webb Telescope. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more intriguing content your way. To provide a sense of the scale of the immense objects found in space, we need to start by looking at the basics. For instance, the Moon has a diameter of approximately 3,474 kilometers, but when compared to Earth's diameter of 12,742 kilometers, it seems tiny. Now, if we place the Moon next to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system with a diameter around 400,000 kilometers, the contrast would be even more apparent, like a ping-pong ball beside a soccer ball. But this is nothing compared to HD 106906b, a planet in the known universe that is 7 times larger than Jupiter, with a total diameter of 986,000 kilometers. Just imagine how tiny Earth would appear next to this colossal planet. However, even this planet pales in comparison to the size of our Sun, which has a diameter of about 1,392,000 kilometers. Our Sun, in turn, would appear minuscule next to the largest star known to us, the red supergiant star, Stephenson 218, with a diameter reaching a staggering 9 million kilometers. This truly gives us a sense of how gigantic stars can be. But we still haven't reached the most enormous objects in the universe. The largest known black hole, TON 618, is a supermassive entity weighing roughly 600 billion times the mass of our Sun, with a diameter of 390 billion kilometers. For now, let's move beyond kilometers and start considering light years. If you were impressed by the sheer scale of TON 618, it's nothing compared to the size of the Tarantula Nebula, the largest nebula we know of, which spans an astounding 1,862 light-years. Yet, even this nebula is dwarfed by our galaxy, which spans around 100,000 light-years. But the true record holder for size in the universe is IC 1101, a galaxy that stretches across about 6 million light-years, making it the most colossal galaxy known to us. As we journey deeper into the vastness of space, there are even greater structures that overshadow the largest galaxy. The Great Void of Eridanus, an enormous region where no galaxies or known objects exist, spans a colossal 1.8 billion light-years. But even this area is small when compared to the Great Hercules Corona Borealis Wall, which measures a mind-boggling 10 billion light-years across, or 11% of the observable universe. While some experts argue that this is the largest known structure in the universe, there are others who place emphasis on the cosmic web, or the universal fabric, which encompasses nearly the entire observable universe. This massive structure was recreated using computational models from rigorous scientific studies, resulting in the astonishing image you see now, which shows all these galaxies and cosmic threads interconnected like a living, breathing organism. Could the universe we live in be part of some greater, intelligent life form? Some scientists believe that it may be possible. A team of researchers at the University of Bonga has conducted a fascinating comparison between two of the most complex systems in nature, the neural network of the human brain and the cosmic web of galaxies. Their findings suggest that not only do these two systems look alike, but they might be governed by similar principles. The study, published in Frontiers in Physics, goes beyond the obvious visual similarities between a human neuron and a galaxy cluster. It suggests that the structure of the cosmic web and the human brain share fundamental similarities in terms of organization. Both systems have nodes and filaments, and a large portion of their energy or mass is composed of elements that play passive roles: dark energy in the universe and water in the brain. Though the size difference between the two systems is vast, their complexity and self-organizing nature are strikingly similar. In fact, the study found that fluctuations within the cerebellum of the brain, on a scale of 1 micrometer to 0.1 millimeter, follow the same patterns as the distribution of matter in the cosmic web. As one researcher explained, when we hear that everything is connected, it probably refers to more than just a philosophical idea. The concept that everything in the universe is interconnected is found in many spiritual philosophies and systems of thought. It expresses the idea that every action we take, whether big or small, ripples through the fabric of reality and affects the world around us. This idea has been around for centuries, appearing in different cultures and traditions throughout history. From a scientific viewpoint, the idea of interconnectedness can be seen in the physical forces and natural laws that govern the cosmos. But from a more philosophical or spiritual perspective, it suggests that our lives are intricately woven into the larger cosmic network, and our actions, even those we don't immediately notice, have far-reaching effects. In conclusion, the idea that everything is interconnected and that we are all part of a universal system is not just a philosophical notion. It is a reality that shapes the destiny and experiences of every being in the universe. Our actions matter, and by making conscious choices, we can influence not only our own lives but also the world around us in profound ways. We hope that this exploration of the universe's vastness and the connections between everything in it has sparked some curiosity in you. The vast expanse of space is not just a source of awe, but also a reflection of the intricate systems that govern life on Earth and beyond. Our understanding of these phenomena can open up a new perspective on our place in the cosmos. As we look deeper into the stars, galaxies, and black holes, we begin to realize that we are not isolated beings in an indifferent universe. Instead, we are participants in a larger, interconnected system. This realization offers both a humbling and empowering perspective on how we live our lives, interact with others, and influence the world around us. The notion of the universe as a vast web of connections is more than a scientific or philosophical concept. It is a framework that invites us to think about the impact of our actions and decisions on a grand scale. From the seemingly small choices we make in our daily lives to the larger, more profound decisions that shape the course of human history, we are all part of a greater cosmic system that flows and evolves continuously. This interconnectedness is not just a poetic idea. It is a principle rooted in the natural world, observed through the laws of physics and biology. Just as the neurons in our brain work in concert to produce thought, memory, and action, the galaxies, stars, and planets in the universe follow patterns of organization and motion that influence the cosmos in profound ways. Both systems, although vastly different in scale, are governed by similar laws of order and chaos, structure and randomness. In a way, the idea that everything is connected is both a scientific truth and a call to action. It suggests that the choices we make, whether on a personal level or as part of a global society, reverberate throughout the world. Every step we take, every action we undertake, is part of a larger chain of events that shapes the universe and the reality we experience. Understanding this can inspire us to act more responsibly, to make choices that promote harmony and positive change, not only for ourselves but for the world around us. As you reflect on the vastness of the universe and the complexities of existence, remember that we are all part of something much greater than ourselves. The universe is not just a physical space. It is a living, evolving system where everything, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, is intricately connected. This knowledge can guide us to live more thoughtfully, with an awareness of how our actions affect the collective destiny of humanity and the planet. It encourages us to be conscious of the interconnectedness of all life and to recognize that every decision we make contributes to the larger web of existence. So, as you continue your journey through life, consider the vastness of the universe and the profound connections that bind everything together. Let this understanding shape your actions and inspire you to contribute positively to the world. In this way, you not only enhance your own life but also play a part in the ongoing evolution of the universe itself. We invite you to continue exploring these ideas and more as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos together. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and thought-provoking insights in the videos to come. As we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, it becomes evident that our journey of discovery is just beginning. The universe, with its seemingly infinite expanse, is filled with endless possibilities and phenomena that challenge our understanding of reality. Each new discovery, whether it's the identification of a new celestial body or a breakthrough in theoretical physics, opens up more avenues for exploration and invites us to question the very fabric of existence. One of the most profound realizations that emerge from studying the cosmos is the interconnectedness of all things. The universe doesn't function as a collection of isolated entities but as a network of systems, each influencing the other. The stars, galaxies, and black holes interact in complex ways, while forces like gravity, light, and dark energy create the foundation for everything in existence. This interdependence isn't just limited to celestial objects. It extends to us, here on Earth. The elements that form our bodies were once forged in the hearts of stars. The same atoms that make up our cells have been part of the universe for billions of years, constantly cycling through different forms and stages of existence. This realization should not only humble us but also inspire a deep sense of responsibility. If we are all made of the same elements that form the stars and galaxies, then we, too, are part of the cosmic web that binds everything together. Our actions, however small, can have far-reaching consequences, rippling across time and space, much like the gravitational waves that spread across the universe when a black hole merges with another. In a sense, we are all agents of change within the grand scheme of the universe, influencing its future through our thoughts, choices, and actions. With this knowledge, we gain a new understanding of our role in the universe. It's easy to feel insignificant in the face of such vastness, but when we acknowledge that we are intrinsically connected to everything around us, we realize that every moment is a chance to make a meaningful impact. Just as a single star's birth or death can trigger the formation of new planets, so too can our actions create ripples that shape the future of our world and beyond. One of the most inspiring aspects of this realization is that the universe isn't static. It is constantly evolving, expanding, and transforming. The galaxies are drifting apart, new stars are being born, and old ones are dying. The forces of nature are in perpetual motion, and even the most stable systems are subject to change. In this constant state of flux, we have the opportunity to influence the direction of our own lives and contribute to the greater evolution of the universe. The awareness that we are part of this ever-changing cosmic dance brings with it both a sense of awe and a sense of duty. It encourages us to act with intention and purpose, recognizing that we are not passive observers but active participants in the ongoing unfolding of the cosmos. Whether we are striving to make a difference in our communities, contributing to scientific advancements, or simply living our lives with compassion and integrity, we are playing a role in the vast, interconnected system that surrounds us.